to you today. Some 3D stereoscopic, awesome games, amazing technology. So stay tuned. I'm John Martin from Reallusion and Intel.
Behold the dawn of a new era for music games. Power Gig, Rise of the Sixth String is set to hit stores fall 2010. Showcased on the show floor at GDC Expo, the true evolution of the band video game experience is set to occur this fall when 745 Studios unleashes Power Gig, Rise of the Sixth String for PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360. New publisher, developer, and hardware manufacturer 745 Studios is a sister company to music entertainment manufacturing giant First Act, making it uniquely positioned to introduce the first major band game for which the guitar peripheral is a functioning six-string electric guitar. The guitar features 745's proprietary technology that can distinguish and recognize gamers' input all along the guitar, making the guitars as easy to pick up and play as any other band game button controllers. They also include all the guts of an electric guitar, so players can plug in their six-string guitars into any standard amp to jam with their friends.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steve Condris with Dash 3D and Gizmos. We are a newly merged company, and here at GDC we're showing off a lot of fun technology and content. We are a 3D catalog warehouse. We have hundreds of thousands of models that are ready to go inside any of your applications, your games, virtual worlds, iPhone apps. And one of the cool tools we're showing off that goes along with the content is a Decimator plugin for Dash Studio. Dash Studio is a free software application, and the Decimator tool allows you to go through and take a fully skinned, rigged, and clothed and textured model, such as this one here, which consists of about 290,000 polygons, insane for any regular engine out there, and allows you to go through part by part, piece by piece, and knock it down to the resolution you want. And the end result we show here is 20,000 polygons for the whole entire model, as you see here. And you can go lower if you want as well. So that's just one of the many cool new technologies. Along with that, the other exciting thing that we have to talk about, it was recently in a press release, is our entire content catalog is now available for use in your game titles. Meaning we have the licensing available for you to come in, buy the model, put it in your title, and do whatever you want with it, sell as many copies as you can. So that's kind of what's new for us at GDC 2010.
Cool. Hey, I'm Seth Burlstein, technical sales rep with Cakewalk, and we're here at GDC 2010, and we're showing off our latest stuff like Sonar 8.5. This is our latest digital audio workstation software for music production and sound design, mixing and mastering. We've also got a bunch of new hardware out, like our 8 Pro 300 MIDI controller, which is due out this spring in May. And we've also got our vStudio 700 console, our vStudio 100, that's our vStudio 700 rack unit over there, as well as our MA15D desktop monitors. So we're not just a little software company from Boston anymore. We're partnered with Roland. We're actually Cakewalk by Roland, and we're doing software and a full line of hardware, basically everything for your studio that you need. So this is Sonar 8.5. And a little background on this, it's basically an unlimited audio application. So there's no limit on audio tracks, there's no limit on the number of plugins or effects or synths you can use. This is one of our synths called Session Drummer 3. Got some funky, weird sounds in there loaded right now. But this is a really cool synth, comes with a couple of dozen drum kits. Now the point about having an unlimited number of tracks is that you can use a massive amount of processing power. For example, this is wild right here, look at that, that's 24 cores. We're running a new system that Intel is going to be releasing in a couple of weeks. This is their Gulftown platform, and of course as an Intel partner we get to test and utilize and make our products work with their latest products. So this Gulftown, it's a 12-way processor, and down here on the floor to my right, there's a server system. It's got 2 of those processors inside, 2 of their Xeon series Gulftowns, totaling up to 24 cores. And Sonar is fully multi-threaded, so it can take advantage of every core in that system. So we're all about taking advantage of the latest Intel CPUs, as well as the 16 gigs of RAM, which are in here because Sonar is a native 64-bit application. Obviously, Windows 7 support as well. And we have an Intel solid-state drive in our system as our audio and samples drive. Their solid-state drives are very, very fast, no moving parts, low heat, and Sonar takes full advantage of all that speed along with their processing power, the i7s, and the Gulftowns, and the Xeons, and all of that.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Sure, thanks for having me.